Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make crispy banana. This turned out so delicious. It's yumicious, great idea for breakfast, and trust me, you're going to love it. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. It turned out yumicious. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I'll add in tapioca flour. If you don't have tapioca flour, you can use corn flour. I then added in rice flour, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and salt. I'll mix all these ingredients together till well combined. Once everything has come together, I'll add in water. I'll mix these ingredients together again till well combined and then add in egg. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So after you add in the egg, stir it till well combined and add in the rest of the water. And basically that's the ingredients that we're going to use to make the crispy banana. That's it, guys. Stir it and make sure you stir it well till even the eggs is mixed. You don't see any sign of eggs in the liquid thing, so please make sure you stir it well. This is how it should become. If you use the exact amount of the ingredients that I'll list in the comment section, this is how it should become. I then kept it aside, so I'll move to the banana. For the banana, I'll peel it and then divide it into two. I think the best way for you to do is to divide it into two equal parts, because when you divide it into two and then in half again, the banana, like once it touches the oil, it could remove. So make sure you only divide it into two equal parts and then go ahead and fry it. So once that was done, I went ahead and preheated my oil and make this amazing breakfast. So wait until the oil gets hot and then add in about scooping about half a cup of the flour mixture that I did earlier on, and then once let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes until it's slightly, the color slightly changes, and then put the banana inside and then roll it. It's simple as that. Just roll it and look at it, guys. This is simple, easy, and it's so delicious. You feel the crunchiness, the crispy. So I just decorated it with date syrup, but you can use chocolate syrup as well, and you are good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. See you till then. Bye bye.